campus, IIIT Kalyani. It's genuinely a proud moment for us to stand here today and mark the end of what has been an incredible journey over the past few months. Winter of Code was not just about the contributions or ranking, it was about learning, consistency, collaboration, and pushing yourself a little further than before. And I think it's fair to say this journey truly has been
I
amazing.
think it's fair.
In the, uh, is there some issue? Okay, okay, so and in the next few minutes, we'll take a quick look at what we have achieved together, recognize some outstanding contributors, and wrap up things up with an appreciation note for everyone involved. So, without taking much time, let's begin. Before moving ahead, we'll take a quick look of what we have achieved together in the winter of food. We had over 5,000 registrations, more than 2,800 active contributors who actually stepped in and built things. That's a massive number of people not just signing up, but showing up and contributing. We, co- we collaborated with 18 plus organizations, each bringing in real world projects and open source opportunities. Over the span of 3 months, it turned into a continuous cycle of learning, building, and improving. With 50 plus open source projects, contributors had a wide range of domains to explore, from beginner-friendly issues to more complex challenges. And alongside that, 40 plus community partners helped us expand our reach and bring more people into this ecosystem. So while these numbers look impressive, and they are really, what really matters is the effort, consistency, and growth behind each one of them. Now, let's take a look at organizations that made this possible. Now, let's talk about the most important pillar of Winter of Code, the organizations. These organizations did not just participate; they brought in real world projects, mentored contributors, and made this entire experience meaningful. We had some amazing organizations like OS, Open Printing, and Open Source Chandigarh, among many others. Each one of them contributed in their own way, whether through projects, mentorship, or continuous support. And this is just a glimpse. There were many organizations involved. Let's take a look at the rest of the orgs who were the part of this journey. And here are some other orgs from developer-focused communities to specialized open source projects. Each org brings something unique to the table. Organizations like Deploy, Tide, and others here played an important key role in shaping the contributor experience. What really stands out here is the collective effort, the time mentors invested, the guidance they provided, and the opportunities they created for contributors to work on meaningful and real world problems. So, a sincere thank you to every organization that partnered with us for Winter of Code 5. Moving ahead, let's take a look at community partners who helped us expand and reach a wider audience. Their support really helped us expand beyond just a single campus and build a much wider developer community around Winter of Code. We collaborated with a diverse set of communities from ranging from GDGs on campus to independent tech communities and developer-led initiatives. Communities like VIT Mumbai and Manipal University Jaipur really contributed heavily by actively engaging contributors, spreading awareness, encouraging participation, helping contributors stay engaged throughout the program. What really stands out, how all these different communities came together with a shared purpose, promoting open source and helping developers go in the right direction. Each one of these partners played a meaningful role in making Winter of Code 5 what it is today. So, a heartfelt thank you to all our community partners. Now, let's take a moment to acknowledge our sponsors. Played a key role in supporting Winter of Code 5. We had support across multiple tiers, each contributing in their own way to make this initiative possible. Starting with our platinum sponsor, DevFolio and Fueler. Thank you for your strong support and helping us scale this program. Followed by our diamond sponsor, Ocean. We truly appreciate your contribution. Our gold sponsors, ETH India and Interview Buddy, and our silver sponsors, AOPS and Deploy. We also had amazing support from our partners across different domains. .xyz as our domain partner, StockEdge as our knowledge partner, and Wintrix as our career partner. Each one of these sponsors contributed in their own way, whether through resources, opportunities, or support, and we are genuinely grateful for them. Before we move ahead to the results, it's important to understand how the evaluation was carried out. Participants, participants were evaluated by mentors based on multiple factors, including code quality, completion, communication, problem solving, and overall contribution to the open source practices. Since different mentors and organizations have different style of evaluation, we ensured fairness by standardizing the scores across groups. In simple terms, instead of just comparing the raw marks directly, we compared the relative performance within each group and mapped everything to a common scale. This ensures that every contributor is evaluated fairly, regardless of the project or organization they are part of. Also, to be clear, the decisions made are final and the entire process has been conducted with complete transparency and no partiality. However, if anyone would like to receive a detailed feedback, you are always welcome to reach out to us. And with that, let's move to the moment everyone has been waiting for. Let's begin by recognizing our top 20 contributors of Winter of Code. These contributors have shown consistent effort, strong problem solving, and meaningful contribution for the program. A huge shout out to Jaspreet Sodi, Shreyansh Tiwari, Saptik Dey, Rohit Kumar, Mohammad Arman, Yogesh Singla, Yati Varshney, Upam Samantha, Tanmay Ashok Bhosle, Bhumit Nagda. Now, moving ahead, these contributors have gone a step further, demonstrating exceptional consistency and impact throughout the program. Here are our top 10 contributors of Winter of 45. Rashmi Chaudhary, Shaurya Beast, Mamadi Saitya, Ayon Paul, Tejas Dhingre. Congratulations to each one of you. Your work, consistency, and contributions have truly set you apart. And now we come to the top 5 contributors of Winter of Code 5. These are the contributors who have consistently delivered exceptional work, shown strong problem solving ability, and made a significant impact throughout the program. Chinmay Bruti, Tanu Kumari, Palchin, Sangeeta Yadav, Shatrughan Mishra. Congratulations to all of you. This is truly outstanding work. And you have set a very high benchmark for the entire community. And with that, we conclude our top contributors for Winter of Code 5. And once again, congratulations to everyone who participated and contributed to this journey. And beyond ranks, this journey belongs to every single person who participated. A big thank you to everyone who contributed, learned, stayed consistent throughout the Winter of Code 5. Whether you solved one issue or many, what matters truly is how you showed up, learned something new, and became part of open source community. As a token of appreciation, participation certificates will be awarded to all the contributors. Your efforts have truly been commendable. And with that, let's wrap up this journey with the final few words. As we come to the end of Winter of Code 5, for many of you, this is just the beginning. Opportunities like Google Summer of Code ahead. And we genuinely hope to see many of you take the next step. Keep building, keep learning, and keep contributing to open source. And before we close, I would sincerely like to thank everyone who made this possible. Our mentors, organizations, community partners, sponsors, and the entire GDG IIIT Kalyani team. And a special thanks to Mr. Praveen Kumar for managing this live stream so well behind the scenes. I would like to invite him to briefly join us.
Hey everyone.
Hi, Praveen.
Hey, so nice meeting you all and talking to you all. And it's your stream, man. So I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing much. So, but it's the entire team of GDG IIIT Kalyani, and yeah, why not? Thank you so much for having me here. And it's indeed a huge pleasure for me as well.
Thank you, Praveen, for managing the stress team and handling all those uh, difficulties whilst helping us here. Really big thank you.
Absolutely, absolutely. I always say like it. I always like to have everyone in the stream as well, but as you wish, whatever is possible. Yes, let's act, at least do a honorable mention or something like that. That will actually help everyone. Super cool.
Um, yeah, so I would
Okay.
also like to thank the entire team of GTG, our organizer, Saksham Jaiswal, and our backend team, Adrisha and Alka, especially who are managing this team as well. Hi, Adrisha. Hi, Alka. Thank you for making this possible. And the entire team of GTG to Karate Kalyani who contributed far beyond what is possible, reaching out to organizations, sponsors, and whatnot.
Ta-da. Everyone is here. So just say hi, everyone. At least those people who I am able to get them in the stream. I know it's unfair for other people, but at least we have a lot, at least four of them. So it's not. It's
Yes,
definitely, it would be unfair for me alone to take the credits as well. So
yes, yes. So that would be it. Uh, And so, with that, we officially conclude Winter of Code 5. Thank you, everyone, for being a part of this journey. See you next year.